A young boy is continuing to recover in the hospital tonight after Clinton police say he was mauled by several dogs.
But what legal options do victims of dog attacks have? Our Ray Arena spoke to an attorney to get some answers. He joins us live outside Greenville Memorial with more. Ray.
Well, Nigel and Carol, the boy's mother says he is almost out of the woods, but he still has a long ways to go. Now, I spoke with a lawyer who says that their legal options depend if the dogs that attacked him actually belong to someone.
11-year-old Orion Anderson is continuing his long road to recovery. Clinton police say he was mauled by 4 dogs Wednesday morning while on his way to his school bus stop along North Livingston Street.
I was very shocked and appalled because I have dealt with animal biting before. My nephew was bitten by 2 pit bulls, which was in Lawrence.
Williams says she is pushing for the city's own animal control officer following the attack. Attorney Cameron Boggs says South Carolina follows strict liability when it comes to dog bites, meaning owners are responsible for a dog's actions. But
if you've got a dog that you've had for 10 years and it's always been on a leash and you've walked it and you've, been a good owner, and then it all of a sudden one day is provoked or something, and that's not this case, then you had no knowledge that the dog was going to attack.
Police have not said if the dogs that attacked Orion are strays or privately owned. If they're privately owned,
typically go after the owner for the medical bills. You go after for the scarring, if there is scarring, and typically there is in a dog bite, whether it's even if it's on the arm or leg.
But if they're not,
but sometimes it's just a bad, event. I mean, if a bear comes into a neighborhood, it's a wild bear, and so we need to know more about the dogs.
And Clinton police say that 2 of the dogs who attacked Orion Anderson yesterday have been put down, and the police chief says they have shot the other 2 dogs, but they have not recovered their bodies. Now, a GoFundMe has been created to support the family, and so far, it has raised over $20,000. Live in Greenville, Ray Arena, WYFF News 4.